So this is me. I just woke up. Well, I didn't just wake up. I just been lounging all day in the house, and this is how my hair is. This is the Marley hair that I did a video on, and it is so tangled right now. Like, it's coming apart. Like, this is what it is. This is how I woke up. I totally slept on it. Totally slept on this hair. I'm gonna twist it up. I'm gonna dip it all over again, and I have to definitely comb through this hair. Or just put it in a ponytail and take it out piece by piece. And when you comb this hair out, it tends to be brand new again. The next step after you comb a couple of them out, I'm going to just twist it. just dipped this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out the twist and see what kind of magic happens. So when I want to go to sleep, what I do, I just kind of put it all in a ponytail in the back, and I kind of like twist it this way, you know, gently. Put it up like that. Okay, show you the back. Okay, twist it. And then I have my bonnet here. I just put my bonnet on over my head and I go to sleep, and that's it. That's how I keep it with the curl.